The height of the lifting knife is a key technical indicator of the electronic jacquard machine. The loom runs 180 degrees each time, and the electronic jacquard machine runs 360 degrees. Each lifting knife of the electronic jacquard machine will reach its highest position. The key is whether they reach the highest position at the same time. Whether they reach the same highest position every time. Stogle's original electronic jacquard machines follow the technical requirements of precision machinery, design, technology, parts production, automated production line assembly, etc. So the highest position can be reached at the same time. This is what we admire and learn from. This is also the main reason why the cost of Stogle's original electronic jacquard machine is relatively high. Does it reach the same top position for every module? Or even every hook in module? Mainly depends on all the lifting knives of this electronic jacquard machine. The lifting knife on the right in the picture above usually requires surface treatment. The main technical requirements are: A. Increase the hardness of the top surface. Once there are pits on the top surface, it will usually cause an error in the hook corresponding to the pit. So pits are not allowed. Please refer to the relevant video for details. B. The rigidity of the body of the lifting knife requires that the deformation produced during work be controlled within a certain range. That is, the height of the lifting knife, left side of the picture above, is controlled within a certain range. The height of the lifting knife consists of two parts: the basic height of the lifting knife and the deformation of the lifting knife. Theoretically, the deformation of the lifting knife is a vector, and we are mainly concerned with the vector components in the vertical direction. The basic height of the lifting knife is the predetermined value of the height of lifting knife, which is mainly affected by the following factors: modules, working temperature, working speed, load of the electronic jacquard machine, etc. For information about the predetermined value of the lifting knifing height, please watch the video, How to Determine the Predetermined Value of the Height of Lifting Knife. The deformation of the lifting knife is divided into static deformation of the lifting knife and dynamic deformation of the lifting knife. When the electronic jacquard machine stops working, the static deformation of the lifting knife is usually measured using professional measurement tools, for example, basic wave. The measurement accuracy of static deformation is usually required to be no more than 0.1 mm. Please refer to the relevant video for details. The module has a certain tolerance range for the height of the lifting knife. When this tolerance range is exceeded, hook errors will occur. In other words, if it is found that the static deformation of the lifting knife exceeds this tolerance range, please replace the lifting knife. Strictly speaking, replace all the lifting knives of this electronic jacquard machine. If the lifting knife cannot be replaced immediately, engineers with a certain technical level may temporarily take the following temporary measures. Find the median value of the static deformation and adjust the height of the lifting knife. When the electronic jacquard machine is working, there is currently no effective measure to measure dynamic deformation. In actual work, a common mistake is to reduce the height of the knife in order to make the fabric normal, which will cause mechanical impact and reduce the service life of the electronic jacquard machine. For details, please watch the video. The height of the lifting knife determines the service life of the electronic jacquard machine is more than. Stogle's original electronic jacquard machine uses an encoder. Theoretically, it is possible to define height of the lifting knife of each module at a specified angle. In other words, each module can be programmed to act at a specified angle. This can be achieved in a system like the YH918. Please refer to the relevant video for details. In fact, some electronic jacquard machine manufacturers do not follow the technical requirements of precision machinery in order to reduce costs. Only the overall design idea imitates Stogle, and the rest is for the purpose of reducing costs. For example, process, part production, modules, etc. Invisibly requires higher technical level of electronic jacquard machine. Without the right resources, the science and technology of electronic jacquard machines, it will lead to a vicious cycle similar to bad money eliminates good money. It will be counterattacked. Please let us know if you have any doubts. We are willing to provide free technical support. At the same time, we learn from engineers. Thank you for watching this video. Goodbye.